we found a good source, we have to go through and make MLA citations before we can write anything down. So Britannica makes it easy for us because they have a little flag right here that gives us all the information that we would need to write a citation. And your Gateway project packet has information on how exactly to write a citation for an internet source. So we're going to go through and we're going to use this format right here that is highlighted, and we're going to put it in our Gateway note card deck that's a presentation to practice doing that. So we have an online source, and we know that from our Britannica page that our contributors are these names right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste them so that it's a little bit easier for me. Once I have them copied and pasted, the formatting isn't going to be right, but I just need it so I can see the names. So I'm going to do this in the order they're given to me: last name, first name, including that middle initial, and then the second name goes in the order that it is printed here. So we have that information there. We always end this piece with a period. Let me make it bigger so you guys can see it. We end with a period because that's the end of that information. Then I know that what comes next is going to be a quotation mark because it's going to be a title of an article. So when I go back to my citation, it says that article title is American Civil War. So next, American Civil War goes here because that's the title of our article. Again, period, end quotation. Now I need the database that I got my information from, or the website name, which is Encyclopedia Britannica. It's given to me right here. I just have to be able to spell it. We'll copy and paste it to make it clear. That was. Okay, so here's our Encyclopedia Britannica that I'm going to, again, make bigger so it matches everything else. And here, this is going to be underlined because it's the main title of our source, or in italics in this case. And then another period at the end. If I go back to my Gateway citation, it tells me after I've got my title of my website, I need the publisher of the website. So when I go here, my publisher is Encyclopedia Britannica Inc. So back in that slide deck, Encyclopedia Britannica Inc. And I believe the next piece of punctuation is a period, but we can always go check. Yep, there's a period. Now we need the day, month, year, and page that the day, month, and year the page was copyrighted or last updated. Britannica gives that information to us really easily. So this was last updated on the 28th of December 2018. So again, that format is day, month, year, so 28 December 2018. No commas or anything like that, just the day, the month, and the year with a period. Up next, we use the word web to indicate that we accessed the source from a website, and then we put in the day that we accessed it. Today's date is the 7th of February. So again, I'm going to type in the day, 7, the month, and then my year with a period at the end. And that's my full citation. Now, the last step to citing anything is to go through and give it a hanging indent. To do this, we come up here to our ruler, and we're going to start by moving both pieces, the little caret and the straight line, into a 1. Then we take the top, the straight piece, and we pull it back all the way back out to the edge, and that creates a hanging indent. That means that our first line hangs out past the second two, which is exactly what we want it to look like. So this is what an online source citation would look like.
Thank you.